All right, so I just wanted to take a few minutes and create you guys a video around the Thinkorswim platform, specifically today around the creating alerts. Uh, as you get used to using this software, both the desktop application and the mobile device, one of the coolest features I like is the create alerts. I typically use them for when I'm in positions. I want to be able to monitor different price points so I can make a decision on either to continue to hold or to maybe sell some shares or to make sure I'm in a good position to either stop my losses or to monitor my option trading. So, but in order to do that, you don't want to spend all your day looking at price movement across your various positions. So, one cool thing you can do is add price alerts. Another benefit of that is a lot of the shares that you may be involved with are fractional shares versus whole shares, and some brokers don't support doing take profits or stop loss on anything less than a share. You can't do it on any fractionals. That's a little frustrating because when you might have a good percentage gainers, and you might want to take off some of that profit, but you can't unless you own a whole share, which for some stocks is ridiculously expensive to even get one share of it. So the workaround is you could just create alerts for different price points, and when you get triggered, that's when you just by hand either swipe on your phone to take action on the position or get in front of your computer. So price alerts are great because the changes you make are also available to you, not only in front of your computer but also on your mobile device. All right, so let me get into it and show you. What I have open on my screen is the Thinkorswim platform. And it's a little intimidating at first. There's a lot of features that it offers. But today I'm going to focus on two tabs in the top. In here, there's a chart tab and there's a market watch tab. Now, when market watch tab is open, it by default it comes to the quotes first tab, but we're interested in the alerts tab. Now, on here you'll see the various alerts that I've put in over time using the alerts, but there's no easy way that I can find that will allow you to come in here and quickly change your alerts. So, but there is an easy way to do it. So if you click on charts, right now I have on my screen, Tesla, which is an awesome stock. They're having an all-time high right now of 696, and the great thing about it is when you open the chart up, when you move your cursor around, you get this crosshair of a vertical and horizontal line. Now, the horizontal line represents where on the chart you're intersecting a price point. So if you look as I move up and down to the right, you'll see how the price is showing you where I'm at on the chart. Same thing for the vertical line. It is, you look way to the bottom, it shows what date that representing for the candle. Now I'm currently looking at a weekly chart, so that means every candle represents a week of data in a candlestick chart. So I got a few indicators on here. This is not about indicators, but I just want to let you know that the way to trigger alerts is really easy. You don't even have to have precision on what you pick on. It's just more about saying that you want to create an alert. So if you right click anywhere on the screen, and I'm thinking, oh, I want to know if Tesla breaks through and hits $700. So all you got to do, right click, go down to create alert, and this screen is really simple. There's various different price metrics you can use to trigger an alert. Markets by default, I would just leave it as that. That basically means whenever the ticker is moving up and down throughout the day, and if it ever hits 700, it's going to trigger a rule. So I'm gonna leave it at mark. There's four types of conditions. There's at or above, at or below, and above. In this case, because I care about the price going up, I'm going to say at or above, and then I'm just going to put 700 in here. So 700, and that's it. I mean, that's literally all it is. You hit okie dokie. Just for your info, FYI, right here it says notify with. It tells you all the ways it's going to try to notify you. So it's going to do it by sound. It's going to make sound in the app if it's open, or if it's on your phone. It's going to see an email, and it's going to see an SMS on your mobile device. So hit create. Now, so look how easy that is. Done. It gives you a visual of what your alert is. If you hover over, it'll tell you what the alert is, what the rule is, the condition. You see it creates a line, and it permanently puts a price point on your chart. So it's real great for visuals. You're not limited to one alert. You can create as many price alerts you want on your chart, and it will trigger when it's true. That's all it will do. So if I want to put another one, let's say I want to know if it drops down back 200 points to like 506, I right click, create alert. And then same thing, it's just a different rule. I'm going to say if it ever hits this number or below 506, let me know. And that's it. It's real easy to clean up. Let's say you change your mind, you don't care anymore. You just hit the X right here. It will kill it. Or you go over to the Market Watch tab. Make sure you click on Alerts sub tab. And then you'll see here, if you go for Tesla, there is the active above 700 still active. If I change my mind, I want to add a note, I still can click here and add a note, which is great. I can say take profit, boom, save, done. So really, really awesome. Done. That's all I gotta do. So that's really it as far as what I want to show you on the desktop platform. But I do want to now maybe show you the mobile app real quick. Let me show you the mobile application on your phone. So if we go to our phones here and you click on Thinkorswim, all right, we're logged in. Great. So even here you can see immediately that it shows the Tesla trigger on my phone. But let's say we pick a different stock. So we come back over here. Let's say we pick Apple. Not Apple. Let's see, Home Depot maybe. Home. No, let's see, Home. I tell you what, let's do TQQQ. There we go, TQQQ. Hit enter, boom. So once you get here, all you have to do on this trade window is just like before. You see how it shows the chart? All we gotta do, see a little bell in the corner? You click the bell, and now we have a very similar screen as before. It says alert. I'm gonna pick mark. That means current price. Trigger. I'm gonna say if it is greater or above. So here's all your difference by symbols. It shows you all the various 4 conditions. So I'm gonna say if greater or equal to. Price, you can hit this little plus or minus. There's a little lock here that says if it's locked, it will hold the price and match whatever the current price is. Unlock means you can change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna say 200 by hand. And you can also use the plus or minus to go up or down, so it's real convenient, real nice. And then when you're done, just hit create order, and that's it. So when you see this little alert right here, done, close, and then you see TQQ is right here. If I change my mind, I want to delete it, I just touch it and hit cancel, and then it will go away. So I'm gonna kill it, and that's it. Another thing, while I have you here, I can show you. If you click more, and down here on account, I can switch easily from a live trading to paper, and now I have the ability to do paper trading on my mobile device as well as my desktop. But I'm gonna switch back to my live account, so live, and that's it. That's how easy it is. All right, so if you have any questions, you let me know, and happy trading.